let's make a fruit plate. Let's make a fruit plate and fruit smoothies. These are fruits. These are fresh and colorful fruits. These are watermelons. These are big watermelons. These are strawberries and bananas. These are strawberries and bananas. These are apples and grapes. These are apples and grapes. I wash all the fruits. I wash all the fruits carefully. Now I cut the fruits. Now I cut the fruits. I cut the green apples. I cut them into thin slices. I cut the red watermelon. I cut it into small triangles. I cut the strawberries. I cut them into small halves. I peel the banana. I peel the banana. I cut the banana. I cut it into small circles. Now I arrange the fruit. I arrange them on a plate. I make a beautiful flower shape. I make a beautiful flower shape. Look, this is a fruit plate. This is a flower-shaped fruit plate.
It looks so fresh and colorful. It looks so fresh and colorful.
Next, let's make fruit smoothies. Next, let's make fruit smoothies. This is a blender. This is a blender. I put some strawberries and a banana into the blender. I put some strawberries and a banana into the blender. I pour some cold milk. I pour some cold milk. I add some small ice cubes. I add some small ice cubes. I turn on the blender. I turn on the blender. Now the smoothie is ready. Now the smoothie is ready. I pour it into a glass. I pour it into a glass carefully. I taste the smoothie. I taste the smoothie. It is cold and very delicious.
Wow!
It is cold and very delicious. Now the fruit plate and the pink smoothies are ready. Everything looks perfect for our BBQ party. In the next video, we will start the BBQ party together. See you soon!